Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the value of b over a, given that a plus b plus 2 root a times b is equal to 2 multiplied by b minus a. And we are told that a and b are non-zero real numbers. Now, one way of solving this problem is to divide the given equation through by a. This is what we are going to do. Now, on the left-hand side, of course, we have a plus b plus 2 root a b, and this is equal to, let us open this bracket. We have 2 times b, which is 2b, and we have 2 times minus a, which is minus 2a. Now, we divide through the left-hand side by a, and of course, whatever we do to the left-hand side, we do to the right-hand side. A divided by a is 1. B divided by a is b over a. Now here we have 2 times root a times root b divided by a. But of course, you know that this can be written as root a times root a. This is going to take care of this, leaving us with 2 times root b over root a. That is 2 root b over a. And this is equal to 2b divided by a is 2b over a. And minus 2a divided by a is equal to 2. Now, at this point, let the square root of b over a be equal to x. And of course, you know that when we square both sides of this equation, we have that x squared is equal to b over a. What we are going to do is that we will rewrite this line of equation in terms of x and x squared. So now we have 1 plus b over a is x squared. 2 times root b over a is going to be 2 times x. And this is equal to 2 times b over a, that is 2x squared, minus 2. Now let us take all these terms on the left-hand side over to the right-hand side. When we do that, we are left with 0 on the left-hand side, and we have 2x squared plus x squared going over the equality sign becomes minus x squared, plus 2x going over the equality sign becomes minus 2x. Here we have minus 2. Plus 1 going over the equality sign becomes minus 1. We have that 0 is equal to 2x squared minus x squared is x squared. We have minus 2x. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. You can see that we have a quadratic equation, and we can factorize this quadratic equation. All we have to do is to find the factors of minus 3 that add up to minus 2. Now we have minus 3 and plus 1. So factorizing this equation, we have that 0 is equal to x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 1. And of course, you know that this statement simply means that either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. From here, we get that x is equal to 3. And from here, we get that x is equal to minus 1. But now look at this. X is equal to the square root of b over a. So x can never be negative. So this result is unacceptable. So finally, we have that x is equal to 3. And of course, x is the square root of b over a. What we are going to do to get this is to square both sides of this equation. When we do that, we have that b over a is equal to 3 squared, which is equal to 9. Now, there's a second way of solving this problem, which does not involve having to divide through the original equation by a. Let us consider the expansion of root b plus root a squared. Opening this bracket, we have root b squared, which is equal to b, plus 2 times root b times root a, which is equal to 2 root a b, plus root a squared, which of course is equal to a. Now look at this and look at the left hand side of the original equation. You will see that they are exactly the same. So that simply means that this is equal to this. Also, let us look at the multiplication. We have root b minus root a multiplied by root b plus root a. You will recognize the difference of two squares here. And you know that when we multiply these two items, we are going to have root b squared minus root a squared, which of course is equal to b minus a. Now, this is exactly what we have here. So that simply means that the original equation can be written as root b plus root a squared is equal to 2 into root b minus root a multiplied by root b plus root a. And of course, you know that this can be written as root b plus root a multiplied by root b plus root a. And this is equal to 2 times root b minus root a multiplied by root b plus root a. Now, I am sure that you know that we can divide through both sides of this equation by the common factor, which is root b plus root a. So, on the left-hand side, we have this over root b plus root a. And the same thing here, root b plus root a. This is going to take care of this, and this is going to take care of that, leaving us with root b plus root a is equal to 2 times root b minus root a. Now let us open this bracket. This is equal to 2 root b minus 2 root a. Now let us collect like terms. Let us bring this over to the left hand side, and let us take this over to the right hand side. When we do that, we have 2 root a plus root a is equal to 2 root b minus root b. 2 root a plus root a is 3 root a, and 2 root b minus root b is equal to root b. Now we divide both sides of this equation by root a. This takes care of that, and we have that 3 is equal to root b over a. To find b over a, we simply square both sides of this equation. When we do that, we have that b over a is equal to 3 squared, which is 9. So these are two ways of solving this problem. If there are any other ways, please let me know in the comment section. And with this, we come to the end of today's exercise. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.